What's up guys, I'll be showing you on how to trade NASDAQ during NFP, and of course I'll be showing you a strategy that I've used over the last 6 years, and also we'll be diving into a way to spot the best entries using smart money concepts on NFP. You know, most of the time the market likes to spike up before it moves, and I'll show you right to enter at the very spike and go down or go up with it. And of course, just before we can get into the strategy and the nitty-gritties, a lot of times I've shared on how to trade, and I've shared numerous strategies around NASDAQ, and a lot of people make money, but now it has come to my attention that there's some brokers that are scamming you guys of your hard-earned money. And of course, it is with this that I will present you with WikiFX, right? So WikiFX is an app, or you can even go to their website, where they will show you a series of broker scammers. So if you're looking into trading with a broker, it's very much good that you actually do your research. So that's what I do most of the time when I'm on the app. You will see various tools that you can use, and of course the link to download the app is in the description of this video right here. Anyway guys, we want to go straight now to the strategy on how to trade NFP. Okay, so we're gonna go straight to the chart. Okay family, so I'm gonna go to the last two NFPs. As you can see, this is the 15-minute time frame, and this is the 6th of May right here. This is the NFP that took place the 6th of May, as you can see. And I just want to show you something right here. Okay, so we're gonna use a concept called POI. Okay, point of interest when it comes to smart money concept. And the first rule is that you're gonna follow the trend, because NFP will always follow the trend of the day. That's the biggest tip right there. And as we can see, I'm just gonna use this replay, and you will see exactly what was happening as the market was about to shoot up there. Okay, so as you can see, the time there was 2:30 in my local time. 2:30, that's when the candle formed and we saw it go down. But where did it go into? It went to this POE, point of interest. So it's basically when the market is in a downtrend and it imprints a bullish candle right there in its pullback. And as you can see, that's where the market actually came into when I just played back. There we go. And as it came into that, one could have now started to sell, and there's that NFP move that actually just repeated itself there. I'm gonna go as well to the last NFP. I think it was in the 7th of June, and I'll just show you the very same thing that you will also apply on today's NFP as you're watching this video. Okay family, we are back on NASDAQ on the second example, and of course this is the last NFP that we had last month. This was the 3rd of June. And as you can see there, that's 2:30, which is my local time in South Africa. And of course, if you're watching this from anywhere all over the world, this is also relevant. You just need to find out exactly what time is NFP in your local time. But of course, strategy is one. Look at that, of course. It will go with the trend, but it gets a lot of traders and kicks them out with that spike. So what we want to do, let me just move this so that you can see what we want to do. We want to go to that replay tool. Okay, so what you will potentially do, you will go to any POI just at least maybe 30 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever time you find yourself on the markets before the actual impact, because it happens exactly at the time that is stipulated on your financial apps like investing.com or CBN or Forex Factory. The exact time they tell you, that's when the impact is gonna happen. So the way to catch that impact, guys, we're not trading breakouts or the move after, we're trading the actual move right here. And as you want to see, this is again, so it's in a downtrend, we have that bullish candle, and of course that's our POI. I stretch it across. I mean, we could have taken multiple, so you can take anyone, but of course the closest to the move, that's where the move is gonna come into. It wants to fill in, of course, that imbalance. And what it does, it spikes. You will see that it's went up to spike. So immediately when it goes in, you need to be very fast and get in on that sell. Place your stop loss just above that POI, and the market rallied all the way down right here. It rallied all the way down. So this is a good way, family, to approach to trade NFP. I'm gonna say it again right now as I just tell you on how to achieve this. Okay, family, so you've seen the strategy, family. So what you want to do always, you want to be on the 15 minutes time frame, look for a trend, trade with the trend, but not just trade with the trend. Wait and anticipate the market to create that spike. It's very quick. It can create within a matter of seconds, even up to minutes. From then on, of course, you want to understand that you want to look for a POI. So it's a smart money concept where we just identify a supply or a demand in the market. Hence, a supply or demand creates the liquidity that's needed for the NFP to actually be moving. So that's a good way that you can always catch those sniper moves and not be stopped out when you're trading NFP. So, and also, family, it is very much important that you approach this strategy with the right risk management that is involved. Don't just say, because it was shared, I'm just going to go in and risk all of my money. You want to risk at least 1 or 2% in your trading account as you see these results. If you can trade on the real, but I would advise you just practice this one on a demo, and then on the next NFP you can go ahead and trade on a real account, because it's very much important that every strategy you apply yourself to adjust yourself with the mentality of the strategy and the way it is done, especially if you've never traded NFP before. Anyway, family, if this video has actually blessed you so much, please do kindly subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget, family, to not get scammed by brokers that are fly by night. You may just click the Wiki FX link on the description of this video to see which broker you'll be trading with to make your hard-earned money. God bless you. See you on the next video.